Look at the fish. Look, it's a fish. See that big fish right there? That brown one that isn't moving? I thought that wasn't real. Because it doesn't move. That one freaks me out a little bit. Look at its eyes. Look, a zebra. Look, a deer.
Look at Shelby.
Look at Shelby, I guess. Look, a pot.
I have that on my head.
Look through this thing. It's cool. Shelby, turn it. Yeah, and there's different colors for it. See the colorfulness. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye, Shelby.
Bye, Shelby.